Good morning, everyone. Andy. The last class, I given notes on iterator, list iterator, enumeration. Right. Right. So the last part is here. Special iterator already notes is there for you, but even then, one small statement. Special iterator. Special iterator is an interface from java.util package introduced by Java 8 version and which is used to retrieve elements from array and collection objects. Collection objects and collection objects. Special iterator will work on both array and collection objects. Structure of special iterator. Structure of special iterator. I given notes in arrays chapter already, but I am rewriting for 5 minutes. Actually, no need to remember all these, not needed. But we are highlighting only one method we are highlighting. That is only one method. Where is this? Only one method. You write like this and keep it. Draw one box and keep it. Right. Look here. Already you had idea about special iterator already. Here also we create object for special iterator by using special iterator method anyway. Like this. Right. See that? This is special iterator. We take the support of special iterator to create object. Same process. Creating object, binding the reference and so on. We had one more method known as for each. This also newly introduced by Java 8, this method. This method advantage is directly working on collection objects directly. So I written note on for each also. Yes or no? For each I written in the form of your map. So like this you had information about special iterator, majorly for interview, iterator, list iterator, enumeration, special iterator, for each method on collection and map. Like this you must have an idea. So hope you had notes on all as a iterative statements, or you can say cursor statements, you can say. Cursor statements, you can say. This is the cursor. So whenever you want to make a, where is this? Cursor statements, iterator, list iterator, enumeration, this 4R cursor. For each is separate method again. Separate method. They'll ask in the interview, do you know for each method or not? Okay, right. Among this, which one should be practiced means in the real time, 90% of the code will be on iterator, old one. So many people are working on old one, iterator. You can see very popular iterator. You are attending spring batches also, maybe. In the spring batches also, the trainer may be your Natras sir, he may use latest one or to hit the psychology of a student, because many people will not be fastly updated. So to overcome that, we trainers will come down and we write old patterns. So in that iterator you can see, right? List iterator we never use, because list iterator specially works on your list only. Enumeration also rare used. Only in the advanced Java here and there, 1 or 2 times situations we use enumeration. But wherever the engineer is using iterator, nowadays new engineers, new means you people, whenever you join any company, new project is there, you are writing special iterators. New engineers are writing special iterators. Special iterator is a new code. Iterator, special iterator. On demand, you can write for each method also, you can write it. So these are all comes under cursor statements. Cursor statement means they are used to retrieve the data from the collection framework. Generally in a logical programming, iterative statements means for loop, while loop, you'll say no. So they are all basic. Logical programming basic actually. Logical programming. This logical programming you can learn from C, you can learn from C++, you can learn from Python. Generally, you can learn from Java also, but we people are not much highlighting logical programming. We are highlighting, not highlighting. So Python trainer, we don't know what kind of pattern they follow. We don't know, but these 2 trainers will be concentrating on logical codes. So C trainer will play a role for logical programming normally. Okay, right? Because C trainer do not have object flavor. So what he will do for 2 months? What he will do for 2 months? So remaining people, we had object oriented programming is there. So logical programming is less, object oriented programming is very high. So we people will give the less priority for logical programming. That is the actual meaning. But the student will not differentiate them. Student will think all that only. But actually, these are all carriers. These are all carriers. .NET is there. PHP is there. They're all carriers. Maybe this trainer based. If a trainer has much time, because normal track trainers are there, fast track trainers. Example, we people maximum 3 months only. I crossed already 3 months. Our duration 3 months only they'll give. Not more than that they'll give for us. Only 3 months. That also with all features. Advanced Java they'll give only 2.5 months for us. They will not do more than that. For us, only highest time given is Core Java. For us, highest time given is Core Java. Core Java take much time actually. So almost 3 months duration it will come. Okay, right? With this Core Java, you must start Advanced Java, you must start Spring, you must start Oracle, you must start HTML. All will be part of this only. That will be running, remaining will be running actually. So all you hope you all you completed today. HTML completed, Oracle completed, yes or no? Yes or no? Actually, you must complete HTML, CSS, JavaScript. You must complete your Oracle. And here, Advanced Java ending, my batch only 11 AM ending. 25th below, the Advanced Java will be ended. This is Advanced Java. And Spring coding running by 5:30, right? What is pending means Angular is pending and testing is pending. DevSecOps batch started, no? Evening 8 PM, morning how much? 7 only? 7 o'clock? How many days? 2 days back started, right? After my batch, you started. No problem. 1 or 2 tools, you'll miss it. Nothing is there. After 3 days, my batch will be ended. You can join it directly. If not, have your, when the batch starts? No, date. Yesterday only, no? Yesterday date is how much? 11th, 11th. So, have your recording. First demo videos, they'll give it, no? For 5-6 demo videos, they'll give it. If not, I can request it. No problem. First 9 demo videos, I'll provide it. I'll ask them. But any mobile phone is there, on it and record it. You had a recording option is there? No, there or not there? right? Record it, because within 3 days my batch will be ended. Again, development, security, operational tools will take much time again. So if possible, manage it and attend it. 1 or 2 tools will miss it for 3-4 days. The recordings you'll get it, right? Okay. You have the recording and do, because today, how much date? Thursday. But I plan to complete it, but I never expected the batch will come by 7 a.m. I never expected. So attend that DevSecOps batch. So pending is Angular and testing will be pending. Anyway, Spring batch coordination is running now. So almost you are in 3.5 months. You came by February 3rd, right? I know. 15 days demo if we take it also. Our batch started around February 18th. Our recording time means our first program started around February 18th or 15th. From there, the count will come for 3 months. So we are releasing the batch. With this, you are under Spring, you are under advanced, and unexpectedly 7 a.m. batch came for you. But 3-4 days you adjust it and join that batch. Okay, right. Angular you missed. 7 o'clock Angular you missed. One more Angular is coming anyway. One testing, right? You left with only web service. With that project will start it. So 3.5 months. These are all components you coordinated. So already you had a time for 2 months again. 5.5 months course now. 2 months time in there. Within that 2 months, web services with the testing, Angular, and the project will come. The plan. So DevSecOps. I thought DevSecOps started. I thought evening 7-8 o'clock. I thought it. For 2-3 days disturbance will come. Today, Thursday, right? Anyway, sir will give demo. I'll inquire it. Demo will be there 1 or 2 days. Have a recordings, and Monday by Tuesday our batch will be ended. From there shifted to DevSecOps. So you count my batch has been ended. By Tuesday it will be ended. After that 7 a.m. DevSecOps, 5:30 Spring. Only 2 batches. Advanced 11 a.m. ended by this Saturday we are ending Servlet. Monday we are entering into JSP. Right? So 11 a.m. Advanced Java, morning 7 DevSecOps, evening 5:30 Spring. These are the 3 batches. Remaining you must conclude it. Oracle, HTML, CSS, JavaScript should be completed. Actually, here pending with Angular and testing. Okay. I'll speak to the management today. I'll provide in the first 9 recordings or 4-5 recordings of DevSec apps. I'll upload that into my Google Classroom. For you, especially for you people, I'll upload in my Google Classroom for you that recordings, 5-6 recordings. I'll get it and upload here. Clear, right? Because I am late by 1 week, no, I'll compensate that time. Okay. Now, these are the cursors. Sir, what is pending means last part. 2 utility classes are there. One is arrays, one is collections. Make it. Like this. Define sorting process. Define sorting process. Define sorting process. Nine a.m. Angular, somebody is saying. Angular started by 9 a.m. I'll inquire it today because for you, fee reimbursement exam also coming anyway. Define sorting process. What is sorting process? The process of organizing elements. The process of organizing elements. The process of organizing elements elements in ascending order or descending order. The process of organizing elements in ascending order or descending order. Ascending order or descending order is known as sorting process. Sorting process. So attend the DEVSEC apps. You will be missing only one tool. Remaining almost 10 to 12 tools will be there. You can attend remaining 11 tools because that will help you. Again, the batch takes much time because in the rotation based faculties are becoming very busy. Okay, right. The process of organizing elements in ascending order or descending order is known as a sorting process. Sorting process. Right. So where we can perform sorting? Normally, sir, where I can perform sorting? Right. Look here. In object-oriented programming, our components means our data are available in the form of objects only. Generally, everything must be available in the form of objects. Whenever you want to collect the objects, whenever you want to hold multiple objects, I said arrays is there. You had an option of array. You can hold using array. You can use collection. You can use collection. You can use collection. You can use map. You can use map. Use map. So using array you can hold it. Using collection you can hold it. Using map you can hold it. Generally, under collection you had three options, no? Sir, set is there for us. Set option is there. List option is there. Set option is there. List option is there. And queue option is there. Queue option is there. Queue option is there. Set is there. List is there. And queue is there. So these are the options. Array or set or list or queue or map. Using this you can hold objects. Any one option will be there. Only this. Collecting multiple objects. Whenever you want to collect multiple objects, you can use array or set or list or queue or map. See, all are unique actually. Means they are different. Array, size restricted actually. Collection and map, not size restricted. They are not size restricted. Among collection, set, no index, no duplicate. They can hold only unique data. Means unique records they can hold it. List, index is there, duplicate is allowed. Queue, algorithm, first in, first out. It will specially work on one algorithm. Under queue, whenever you want to do double-ended queue operation, it has DQ. That is internal to queue, right? Map special again, primary key, non-primary key. Like this, these are the options. They are all collections actually. In general meaning of collection means grouping them and organizing or collecting and organizing. Example, kids will take some box and they'll keep a coins, no? Coin collections. Collections means grouping them and organizing. That's the meaning actually. So object oriented programmer, if multiple objects are coming, how you can collect them and organize them. So these are the options. Now I can hold them and I can keep it. That's the information here. Okay, right. Now I want to do sorting. Example, I want to do sorting process. I want to do, sir. Sorting process I want to do. So I want to do sorting process. I want to do. Sir, can I do, because objects are available in all the locations? No, right. Sir, I want to do sorting process on array. So you can do, no problem. You can do sorting process on array, because array will have index value and you can do sorting. No problem. You can do sorting on array. Sir, I want to do sorting process on set. So you cannot do sorting process on set. The reason, index value not there. So index value not there means sorting algorithm cannot be written properly there. So you cannot do sorting process on set. For that, they given a tree set. They given a tree set or not now? Automatically ascending order. So they only will run one sorting process internally and they'll do it. External sorting not there on set. You cannot perform sorting. The answer is, can we perform sorting process on set? The answer is no. We cannot perform sorting process on set. Right? But using tree set, we can present the elements in ascending order. That option is there for us. From externally, you cannot write the logic because index is not there for you to write the logic. Sir, list possible? Yes, list is possible. The reason, in the list index value is there, you can do sorting. You can do sorting on list because index value is available there. Sir, can I do sorting on queue? No, you cannot do sorting on queue because sorting on queue is against rule. Why, sir, against rule? There is an algorithm known as first in, first out. Example, some 20 people are standing in front of ATM center. Since 2 hours they are standing in front of ATM center, 30 people are standing there. So the bank people will come and say, stand according to heights. You must not say. We came in the morning and standing in the front. How can you order it? How can you sort it? So queue cannot be sorted. Against the rule, you cannot sort the queue. Queue means who comes first, he has the priority. How can you sort it? If we sort it, the first element will go to the last or not now. So this is against rule. It will not support. It will be running on algorithm. So there is no sorting process on queue because already algorithm is running on first in, first out. You must not perform sorting on queue. If you cannot perform sorting on queue, you cannot perform sorting on DQ. Okay, right? Now, sir, can I do sorting on map? No, don't do sorting on map. Why, sir? Map is a special organized component. Everybody should know this map. At least you must have an idea. Okay, in Core Java, Venkatesh sir, at least set that name, map. You must know. Map means key value, playing a crucial role in the future for you. Key value, primary keys and non-primary key fields. At least the component, yes sir, I heard map. So map means organizing key value and 4 implementations are there. You must say to the market. Remaining that people will take the support of them and they'll do something. Because projects are there, no? Right. Some application means they apply the component somewhere. So everybody should know map. Sir, can I do sorting on map? No, you must not do sorting on map because it is organizing the data coming from the DB tables. You must not do sorting. But whenever I want to present in one organized form, they had a tree map. So they kept a tree map automatically presenting the data in ascending order to you. Finally, You can perform sorting process on array objects and list objects. Can you see that? Only two objects you can do. That also we are not doing. Option is there to do on two. That also you are not doing. Sir, why I am not doing now? Because you observed already. Sir, core Java, immediately advanced Java. Sir, immediately Spring. Now you are busy with the Spring application or not? Generally, you are busy with the Spring application. Generally. So if the Spring, what happen now? Web service will come. With this one project will come. So here one testing will come. You have to apply the testing or not now? So some testing will come. Sir, this much of busy is there. Where my time is there to apply them? Right? Again, any screens are coming, you must present them. To present them, your HTML is there, CSS is there, JavaScript is there, Angular is there. For all these applications, background is there, no? Oracle is there. That only your course. Sir, always I cannot write manually, sir. Give some tools for automated. That only DevSecOps. If you know tools, you can make your application more automated. Understood this point now? So why they will give that course in the last to you? First you must know manual. Then only you can do automated. So first you know all manual. If you are habituated to automated, what happened now? If you are habituated to automated, one danger is there. In the future, you cannot become a vendor engineer. You will become a service engineer. So you must not go with, always we say, wherever that's, I said no, core Java is hard when compared to other. When compared to other classrooms or other, core Java looks very hard. Some people will not understand also, we know that. This is called manual will be there, more manual will be there. But if you touch the manual, what happens means vendor entrance will be very easy. Inner class is there. Now, inner class is there for you. Very tougher actually. Observe it now. Some students will get frustrated, sir. Why this inner class to me? Right? Generally, I know already because that we get a feedback also. Why this inner class? They don't know why that inner class. But special iterator SP is equal to V dot special iterator. That syntax is there or not now? That V dot special iterator internally one local inner class is there. That local inner class is the implementation class of special iterator. That only concept. There is a concept actually. If not, how the object is coming? How interface will get an object? Interface object will not come, no. Interface should have implementation or not now. Where is the implementation now? Inside the method, the implementation class is there. That is local inner class. Then who constructed that method? Is the strong in inner class or not now? Don't worry, you will remember me. You will never forget me, I know. Not now. After 3-4 years completed, somewhere you have to touch internally. On that day, you will remember me. Why Venkatesh sir stressed that inner classes? You take connection con is equal to driver manager dot get connection. That get a connection method internally, local inner class is there. That local inner class is the implementation of connection. But you cannot understand now. Sitting in core Java, student cannot predict the application. No, he cannot predict it. So where that model is coming cannot predict it. He will not understand also. Because his journey is nothing but, sir, easy is there means I'll learn it. Hard is there means I'll skip it. That is a student psychology. Generally. So in that process, the models will reflect you. One day will come to you. On that day, definitely you also should write that kind of codes. So on that day, my book inner, because I asked no, take the printout of inner classes chapter and make it as a document, I said. I not yet said that point to anything, but I said only what the chapter. If possible, take that inner classes as a printout and read it. It will help you, I said. More than that, I not yet said. Because all you are in today, see how many are coming. Iterator, IT is equal to V dot iterator. That also local inner class only. So that many local inner classes are playing in the design parts the same way. So in this total journey, where you will apply sorting? Sorting, we never apply. Because of this reason, sorting became weaker in core Java. But even then, two methods are available to you. One method to perform sort on array, one method to perform sort on list, like this. Now, sir, where I can perform sorting process? This diagram I'll paste there. Under the diagram, we perform sorting process. We perform sorting process on array objects and list objects. Array objects and list objects. Array objects and list objects. We use sort method from java.util.arrays class. We use sort method from java.util.arrays class to perform sorting process on. We use sort method from java.util.arrays class to perform sorting process on array objects. The syntax is arrays dot sort of array variable directly. So draw the box for that syntax and keep it. We use sort method. We use sort method from java.util.collections. One class is there. java.util.collections. We use sort method from java.util.collections class to perform sorting process on collection objects. Syntax collections dot sort of list variable. Now, two programs I'll write, one for array and one for collection. Easy only, nothing is there. Scanner yes is equal to new scanner of system.in. System.out.println. Enter number of elements. Int n is equal to s dot next. Now integer a is equal to new integer of n. Now system.out.println. Enter n elements. Here a of I is equal to new integer of s dot next int. So system.out.println before sorting. Before sorting, I am using extended for anyway. This is normal coding anyway. Enter 5 elements. This is normal, right? Sorting means here arrays dot sort of A. This is sorting. After sorting. This is after sorting. After sorting, you are getting now 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. You are getting anyway after sorting. So just sorting techniques is arrays dot sort automatically internally. Quick sort is performed for you. Automatically quick sort is performed. The algorithm is quick sort. Why quick sort means highest priority sort. Highest performance sort for you. Sir, I want to display ascending order. You can display ascending order also. No problem. Descending order. System.out.println. Descending order is always manual. Descending order is display from back. Yes or no? Na? Right. For that you write old for loop. old for loop, where int I is equal to a dot length minus 1. I greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus. Yes or no now? All of you can imagine this loop, right? The last index value I am taking. So from last index value to first index value, this one. The system dot out dot print a of I. Now see there. 2, 3, 1, 4, 5. Ascending order, descending order. You're getting or not now? See. Here, what is the length now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Length 5. A dot length means 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. So, we are coming from 4. Where is this logic? We are displaying from last. This is last. Last index value to 0 index value. We are displaying in descending order. So here sorting process means not manual. Already built in is there for us. This is array sort. Now look here. Once again. So taking the size of array and reading the data, you know this already. Displaying with extended for, you know the theory. Now sorting completed. After sorting completed, the elements in array are in sorting process automatically by using quick sort, part of your sort method. Right, okay. Now, after sorting process, I displayed in descending order, I am displaying from manual. Manual means from last index value to 0 index value, I am displaying. Now the same kind of application we do for list also. For list. So list sorting. List sorting. Import java.util. Same flavor will come. Scanner yes is equal to new scanner system dot try of s. Now here again directly array list. Generally by default we work with array list. Generally when the project is going on means in the real-time market. Actually real-time market will be more clear when compared to this learning process. In the learning process you have to learn all. In the interview process you must speak all. Working will be very easy. How means proper organized format will be there. Daily one task will come. One mail will come. If not, one document will come. Right? What you have to do also, somebody will say to you. What you have to do also, somebody will say. How to do, they will not say. Understood this point now? What you have to do, the clarity will be there. Right? In the process of doing that, what to be taken also, document is there. Right? Clarity. So they'll give a time to you, 2 days, 3 days, or 1 week. They'll give a time to complete that. So within that time, you can read it, you can download it. If you don't know, that only they'll do. That fake experience people, what they will do, they will have a subject actually. Fake experience means, fake meaning is that people in a right time they not yet been cracked the job, or some time has been wasted because of unplanned. Sir, I completed my degree and unfortunate I went into one non-IT background job. It demanded me. I am there and no increments are available. I have to come back again. Like this unplanned way, 2 or 3 years they will waste their time. When they come back to IT industry, they will ask experience. What you have been done? So where they worked, they cannot keep that experience. That will not work it. So they go for fake experience. That only meaning. That doesn't mean that they don't know subject. They will learn. So they'll come to Amiripet, they'll work hard, they'll do projects. At last they'll learn the subject. So they must be confident with the subject. When the task comes, task is not a single day task. Morning they'll give, evening they will not ask. 3 days, 4 days, 1 week, sometime 10 days time will be there. In that process, that people will work hard. So they'll go home, they'll search it, they'll contact somebody, they'll take a support. For 6 months, they'll work very hard. So after that, one project participation completed, finish. They knows what to do. That's a way of working. So in the real time, clarity will be there. In the process of clarity, if you write with array list, somebody will ask. So please use here vector for me if possible. They'll ask it. Then you must use it. Understood this point now? If possible, use for me linked list, they'll say. Then you can use it. You can search about the linked list, what you learned, what is the notes available. If not, you can buy one book and keep in the bag and go, because all will read and do. It all happens. So there they will say what component you have to use it. That clarity is there, don't worry. So working people will be bit easy. Anyway, roughly I am taking array list. Some people will ask, sir, why you are taking array list? They'll ask. You can take anything, no restriction. In the real time, they'll give a clarity to you. Some people ask me also, in the starting I'll say static, non-static I'll say. After a few days I stopped saying that word. Observed or not now? By default I'm working with objects only. I never work with the static. In any library, static is there, we use it. But starting they'll ask, sir, why you are not writing static? Static is one option available to us to access with the class name. Where I should know now, when I open a library, if it is a static, I must access. That all you know. Arrays dot here. Arrays dot sort, because sort is a static method. So to educate that only the theory. Understood now? That doesn't mean that you're going to write static. You never write static. For you, interface writing is not there. All interfaces will come from library. Interface writing is not there. Only in the interface chapter only interface writing is there. After cross interface chapter, all built-in only will come. So you never write any interface anywhere. When you are not writing interfaces, static also you never write. They are come with the built-in form to you. So theory. Here also, many components are available to me. Which component use it means for this program, you can use any component. But in the market, they'll give a clarity to you what to use. That's the information to you. Like this. Array list, add system.out.println. Enter the number of elements to be added. Now int n is equal to s dot next int system dot out dot print ln enter n elements. For int I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. N elements, no? End of loop. Here, al dot add method is there, no? New integer of al. YAL. Yes dot next. Like this you are adding. Now display it now. System dot out dot print ln. So before sorting, al dot for each. Always we use for each. System dot out dot print k. This is before sorting. Enter the number of elements to be added. 5 elements. So elements are added to the array list. Now perform sorting. Simply sorting is collections dot sort. AL. This is sorting process. So again display them. After sorting completed, after sorting, I am displaying now. Enter the number of elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 after sorting. Okay, right. Sir, I want to display in ascending order. Sorry, descending order. Descending order means from back to front. Here also index value available. Yes or no now. Array list means list will have index value. For this, you can use index value. System dot out dot print ln. For that only your list iterator came. If you use list iterator, you can display both, no? Forward, backward you can display. But I am doing manual. Manual means old for loop. Descending order. Descending order. For loop I am using manually. End of loop. Sir, how to take last index? Sir, how you will take last index value? So whenever I want to take a last index value, int I is equal to al dot size. Array list size is there. Understood this point now? How many elements means 5 elements. Size minus 1. I greater than or equal to 0. I minus minus. Actually, we have to come from the last or not now this one. We have to come from the last. Sir, you are coming from the last. No, sir. Index value, you are coming from last. Okay, right. Based on index value, I will take it now. Right. Sir, how will take it? Means system dot out dot println. We had one method known as get method. Yes or no? Na? Get by index value. I given a information to you. So al dot get by index. I given one notes to you. Get by index. So the index value get by index. The element will come. Enter the number of elements to be added. 2, 4, 3, 5, 1. Getting or not now? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Getting. So the turn, because they given a get value to you. See, if you are confused. Sir, this one okay. Creating array list and adding elements. Displaying okay. After sorting, automatically elements are in sorted form. Okay. Now whenever I want to display in descending order, I want the last index, I want it. How to take last index now? Array list dot size. 5 will come. 5 minus 1, 4 will come. So I is equal to 4. From that 4, I want the element. Get from 4. So get the element from 4. I minus minus, get from 3. I minus minus 2. I minus minus 1. I minus minus 0. I minus minus stop it. So we are taking the elements from back index to foreground index. So finally, two methods are supporting you. Observe this pointer, not now, right? So here, program list sorting dot Java. Right. Sir, here today first time I used collections. I used one word collections, no? FAQ question. What is the difference between collection and collections? Collection and collections. One student answer me. Collection means singular, sir. Collection means plural, they said. Collections. So singular, plural, you must not say. Right? Because here yes is there, yes not there. So answer is collection is an interface and root of collection framework. Collections is a class and which is utility class. Utility class means it will do work on collection objects, sorting, searching or any other work it will do. So it's called utility class. Collections is a utility class. Define collections. Then the answer is collections is a class from java.util package and which is utility class. Right, like this. So collection is an interface from java.util package and which is root of Java collection framework. Collections is a class. Collections is a utility class. Utility class from java.util package and which perform operations on collection objects. Sir, what operations? Like sorting, searching, ... Okay. Now, sir, whenever the array came, always we are writing length. So, what is the difference between length and length of? Always you are seeing this two or not now? Length and length of. What is the difference? Length keyword is used to find length of array anyway. LENGTH. Length keyword is used to find the length of array objects. Length of is a method used to find the length of string objects. The length of string objects. Right. What is the difference between append, add, put? So append, add, put. So where you seen these methods? So append method is used to add data to string buffer and string builder objects. Add method is used to add the data to your collection objects and your joiner objects also indirectly. Joiner, string joiner also add method is there, no? Yes or no? Na? Right. Put method is used to add the data to map object. So make it. So append method is used to add data to string buffer and string builder objects. Add data to string buffer and string builder objects. Add method is used to add the data to collection objects. and string joiner object. String joiner object. Put method. Put method is used to add the data to map objects. Map objects. Map objects. So these are the few things we observed. Yes or no? Right, these are few things. Right. Now comes your last one. Do you remember non-primitive data types? Data types are how many types to you? Two types. What are they? Primitive and non-primitive. If we take non-primitive, how many are there now? Sir, class is there, interface is there, third one is what now? Array is there. Right? Array replaced with collection. On demand, collection replaced with map. What is the fourth one now? Enum. That's the last one. Right? The last object, that is enum object. So you had 100% work you done with class and interface. So that interface example only collection. That interface example only map, actually. But we cannot introduce collection map directly, no? So we written array and came there. So arrays will be very less for us because arrays are size restricted in the real-time market. We use very less. Okay, right? Now, the last object is define enum. Star mark IMP. Define enum. Enum also angular brace. Define enum. Right. So before that only, I'll start enum, small concept only. I'll show one slide, 5 minutes. Management asked me to show to you because the ending batch, almost all courses started to you, right? One small plan. 2 minutes, I'll scan my WhatsApp scanner, I'll do it 2 minutes. So 10 minutes is there for enum. Only 15 minutes it takes. Small object. After that, your multi-thread chapter, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, right? Friday, Saturday, multi-thread will be started. By Saturday, almost multi-threading, maximum concept will become, right? By Saturday. So Sunday, if I conduct the class, batch will be ended, but no need. Monday will come and close it. Any pending is there Tuesday. So 2 days. So for these 3-4 days, adjust for DevSecOps. I'll arrange that videos to you, right? 4 or 5 videos, I'll speak to them and I'll arrange for you. From Wednesday, you attend that section directly. Until then, you maintain some recording and so on. You do it, something. For 3-4 days, adjustment, you do it. Because again, the batch will not come. Takes time. 3.5 months, within next month ending, your project and so on will be started anyway. You can take the certificate and go. Meanwhile, I'll show that fee reimbursement option is there for you. That you apply it, for you directly 50% amount will come back by writing examination. 50% fee receipt is amount will come back. You paid some amount, no? That package people, 12,000 something you paid, no? That government of India is giving back that amount with small, because 2,000 plus recruitment completed in Naresh IT for NASCOM. Yesterday their team visited. First they given 2 permissions. Now they give again permission for remaining courses. In India, the topmost courses running from Naresh IT from NASCOM. So first they given permission for 2, but yesterday they permitted for remaining. Remaining also comes under NASCOM because 2,000 plus recruitment completed from NASCOM. So Naresh IT people, you can write one examination, they are refunding the amount. 50%, 6,000 rupees, they'll be creating back to your account directly. So management will give one link and so on. You apply some is there. I'll show that slide to you. I'll give the options, and examination is from our notes only. Our notes is very enough for you to crack it out. So write that examination and do it. So read this. You had for that package people. Who had that package people? This you can read for 2 minutes there. Remaining, I'll assist you, right? What to do. You are about to complete within a month. Within a month, 1.5 month. Remaining courses also they'll complete and they release your batch. 3 months completed, no? So 3.5 months almost. So February 3rd you came to Naresh IT and today it is May 12th around. So roughly 3 months, 10 days, right? Some take admission into Naresh IT. Register for FSP Prime website. You done it? Done or not done? complete course in Naresh IT. Okay, Naresh IT shall submit course details, completed student details, take mock test of NASCOM, prime assessment. You write this mail ID and keep it. Future skills not support at the rate of nareshit.com. You can put a mail there. They'll respond to you. Any queries are there, you can put it. This one. I'll speak again to you, right? Okay, just I shown the overall. Again, I'll speak to you about that bit clearly and what to do, right? If anybody not registered, I'll keep a links to you for registration in the Google Classroom. Finish off that and let us go forward. Okay, right. So thank you very much. Tomorrow, first 15-20 minutes for Enum discussion. After Enum, conclusion of all objects and entering into threading concept. The last concept available with us. By Saturday, almost 90% will come nearer. Any pending is that Monday, and Tuesday is the reserve day. Means any pendings are there here and there, we fix it and we upload all the notes and we conclude. Tuesday is the last day. Until then, adjust the time for 3-4 days for that new batch. Adjust it. From Wednesday onwards, you can attend that 7 o'clock batch as a DevSecOps batch. You can attend it. Until then, 3-4 days, any of your friend is attending, ask him to maintain any other notes or recording and you collect it. Meanwhile, I'll adjust that recording to you. Correct. Take a break. Thank you very much for today.